Hello viewers, so this is question number second of our worksheet 6.3. Okay, so let's solve this one. So firstly, as we are given with three equations over here, so we are supposed to make base for all of three. Okay, so like this, 3x plus 2y greater than equal to 2. So just solve it conventionally like this. Okay, so you know how to solve this, but just make a point for it. Like if we put this x0, we will, what are we gonna get? Y as it will become 0 and 2x plus y, and x becomes 6. Okay, so over here y becomes 6, and if we put y0 over here, then we are gonna find like this, and over here x becomes 4 and this is 4. Now just make a basic line based on these stuff, and over here we are supposed to make a line of this equation and this equation. Just solve it conventionally, like we solve our equations of equality, like that. So I'm supposed to plot graph, firstly this line, then this, and then this. Okay, so yeah, I have made my graph like this. Now I just have to plot the points over it and make my line. So yeah, first point is 6, y is 6, and this is 4, x is 4. I'll just make a straight line joining these 2 points. I know it's not at all straight, but yeah, it suffice for our work to be done. Okay, then this is another point, as we are given with these 3 inequalities. Okay, so yeah, y is equal to x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 over here, it will be like this, x is equal to 1. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, it will be my that inequality, and y is equal to 2. Okay, so this is my another. So we are given with 3 lines now, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now I am supposed to select the side. So yeah, if I put this point, I'll take this point as my reference. So the point of stuff will be like that. If it is 0, then it will also 0, and 0 0, is it less than? Yeah, this is true, 0 is less than this. This is true, then this side of mine will be taken. So firstly let me give you a reference. So this side will be taken. Okay, I am using pencils to make it more neat. Okay, after that another equation is this, another equation is this. Okay, so it means, okay, so it is not true. So over here x is equal to 3, I'll be taking this side over here. Okay, because the x is supposed to be more than, will be supposed to be more than 1. On over here y is also supposed to be, so this side will be taken over here. So I think you can easily see the intersection between these lines. Okay, so this is the intersection, this column is the main intersection. Okay, this column. Okay, so you can use this pencil to make the intersection. So yeah, here this is our answer. So that's all for this video. Hope you have enjoyed this question and Moreover, I am not, some of you must be saying that why I have not used dot lines over here, like to represent that these lines are not the actual solution, because this is not this is not equality over here. But as I have used this full-fledged line, because equal to is also there now, it is saying that it is equal to, so that's why. If it would not be like equal to, then I will be using dotted line over here. Okay, so keep this stuff in mind as well. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.